Hey guys, welcome back to Lulu Vlog. This time we are off to Doi Inthanon, the highest mountain in Thailand. After about an hour's drive, we made it to the base of the mountain. The road app is full of twists and turns, but the views are seriously so worth it. You will need a ticket, 300 baht per person I think. You can grab it at the checkpoint or even book it online ahead of time. By around 7 a.m., we were already at the top, and man, it was so freezing. There's this little shop with hot steam pans. Tastes so amazing. Also, there is a tiny coffee shop. I had a hot cappuccino with an epic view. Then we hit a short train nearby. It's all green, super chill and peaceful. Such a nice little walk. After that, we headed to the Twin Pagodas, which were built to honor the king and queen. You gotta hop on a shuttle track from the parking lot. It costs around 50 baht per person. Don't forget to wear sandal modus is a respectful spot. You can either climb the stairs or just ride the escalator. The views out there, insane. Feels like you're standing above the clouds. Inside the pagodas, there are Buddha statues, so make sure to take your shoe off before entering. I took the escalator for the next pagoda just to save my energy. The views are absolutely beautiful no matter where you are. There is also a huge garden full of blooming hydrangeas. Take a moment a day to just chill and enjoy the view. It's seriously so calming and beautiful. At the base of the pagoda, there is a small station where you can line up to catch the track back to the parking lot. On the way down, we stop at the massive waterfall. The water was rushing like crazy. No swimming allowed, especially during the rainy season. And that's a wrap for this quick little trip. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel vibes and lifestyle videos. Catch you in the next one. Bye!